Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an inbound marketing strategy with HubSpot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build an inbound marketing strategy with HubSpot, start by defining your buyer personas. Identify the key characteristics of your ideal customers. Gather data on their demographics, interests, and pain points. Next, set clear and measurable goals for your inbound marketing efforts. These could include increasing traffic, generating leads, or improving conversion rates. Now, create valuable content that aligns with the needs of your buyer personas. Consider blog posts, videos, infographics, and ebooks. Use HubSpot's content creation tools to streamline this process. Once your content is ready, focus on optimizing it for search engines. Conduct keyword research to find relevant terms your audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content. After optimizing your content, it's time to promote it. Utilize social media platforms to share and amplify your content. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Next, set up landing pages to capture leads from your content. Ensure these pages are optimized for conversion with clear calls to action. Use HubSpot's landing page builder to create eye-catching and effective pages. Once you've captured leads, nurture them through email marketing. Segment your email list based on buyer personas and behaviors. Craft personalized email campaigns that provide value and encourage engagement. As leads move through your funnel, track their progress using HubSpot's reporting features. Analyze performance metrics to see what's working and what needs improvement. Finally, continuously optimize your strategy based on these insights. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt your content as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively build an inbound marketing strategy using HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.